Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search up for the videos in your TikTok from your PC. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, log into your TikTok account. After logging in, what you want to do is click on the search button which is on the top of your screen and search the video that you want to see. For example, I want to see dancing video. After that, there will be plenty of search result. Just click on the result that you want to see. Just click it and you will be able to see that video. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.